Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, the xrayhec show. If you're new to my channel, I'm a gamer slash reseller, sell stuff on eBay, online, blah blah blah. Anyways, um, today I'm playing Marvel Contest of Champions. It's just going to be a short little video. I have 10 shards. I want to kind of open them up and show you what is in them. But first, if you're new to my show, I always send out shout outs to all people that supported me during the week. Some don't leave comments, so I can't shout them out, but some do. And here we go. The first one is MGTOW Warrior. He has a great news channel. If you guys want to stop by and listen to some of the news, stop by that person's channel. It's pretty cool. Latin Total, he does a lot of stuff. He does reviews, he does gaming, he does selling. If you guys enjoy all that stuff, check him out. Make sure you check out his channel. And then Leah and Ladybug, make sure you check them out. Leah and Ladybug. Andre Pitts, again, he always stops by and he says hello. So make sure you check him out. Mr. Drew, also a great gamer. Check him out. Bottle Caps. Bottle Caps, he lives in Canada, Tejada Island, and he has a beautiful scenery, so watch his videos. He does lots of different things. Jaron Lumpkin, check him out. Karen T is a gamer. She does a lot of Minecraft, so if you're a Minecraft head, check her out. She's pretty cool. You'll love it. Age Gracefully, she has a hangout channel, so check her out. Check all these people out, man. Well, anyways, it's gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna open up these crystals and then I'm going to bed because we have to work tomorrow. Anyways, it doesn't matter. And I appreciate anybody who stops by and watches this video. It's pretty cool. Whoa, what's going on? Is it frozen? Oh, here it is. So as you do the grind, they give you these crystals and you have a chance to get characters. So I am gonna buy some of these bad boys. I'm gonna see what we get. And we strap them right there. Stop, breathe. No, man. Yeah. Well, this crystal sucked. We got nothing out of it. Next. Right there. Stop right there. Stop. Oh, man. Jeez. Missed by one. I'm looking for 4 or 5 star champions. And so far, no luck. Let's see if we stop really quick. What we get? We get there. One more. Jeez. Nada. Focus. Got nothing. If we can get something here. Give me one. Level 4-star champion. Nope. I think this game is rigged, but they want to give you what they want to give you. Let's see, it's kind of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Right there. Let's see what we get now. Maybe something good. Nada. So I didn't get anything. So cool. Back to crystals. You have a level 3. Let's see, we're just gonna go random now. Ooh. We have a Hyperion, 3-star. 3-star, not bad. We went random and we got something. Back to crystals. Here I still have 4 more, so let's see what 4 characters we can get now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just gonna hit them random, see what we get. Nothing. Wasn't for bad luck. That's crystal. I got some cool little ISO 8s, but nothing else. Nothing good. Nothing to talk about. Nothing to send a letter to mama. Oh man. Yeah. If you enjoyed my show, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. But maybe we'll do some level 4. Level 4. 4-star. This one. We'll do this one real quick. Just get rid of all my characters. I'm gonna try to talk less, and I'm gonna try to bring you guys some more gaming. So I'm just gonna do some gaming here, guys. Boom, boom, really quick, really fast. Really fast. We get our 3-4 hits, and then we back off. Boom, son. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Anyways, I can't seem to find my gaming headphones, so I can't really do too much. I hope the audio is good. And just got my butt kicked first fight. Get my butt kicked right off the bat. That's crazy. Boom. Shoot. Yeah, I'm getting my butt kicked. Comment down below, guys. Leave a comment. Which one's your favorite hero? Who's your favorite Marvel superhero? Who's your favorite YouTuber you like to go watch? I don't really care. That's right. Oh, in case you guys don't know, I just got this guy this morning. Come on. Boom. Well, got a victory. Got a W. Big old W. I was watching, who was it? I was watching somebody, man. They were having competitions for this. 3 gamers were trying to beat Thanos. It was really pretty cool. One was Hector, and then the other one was Dragon something. They came close, but they couldn't beat him. Trying to beat him with the 5 stars. They came close. Oh, what's my other thing? Hang up, son. Get so. Ah, come on. This sucks. Making a phone call. Boom. That's got to be the weakest finisher in the whole game. And I got to beat them fast. I'm getting my butt whooped. Are you kidding me? 2%? Wow. Guess it's got the bleeding thing, so bleeding will get you. Oh, so down below. What was I gonna say? Anyways, doesn't matter. I'll remember and I'll tell you guys later. Oh yeah, so I wanted to get rid of the shout outs. What do you guys think? Should I get rid of the shout outs or should I keep shouting people's names out? Do you think it matters? Do you think anybody's listening? Do you think anybody watches it? Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you think I should keep throwing out shout outs to different gamers or gamers that support me. I don't know. You tell me what you want. Be done. Be done, man. So this is going to be a short game on Sunday. If you guys are around, I'll probably have a live stream. And if you guys missed my live stream on Saturday, man, it was pretty cool. There was a lot of people here, and we were having conversations. That was so cool. Also, I was in a panel this weekend. I was in Schlutz McGee's. That sounds funny. Schlutz McGee's panel. She had like 7 YouTubers, and we were just talking random stuff, like whatever came to our heads. If you guys want to go back and watch it, go ahead. Her name is Schlutz, SHULTZ McGee, and I was also in Creators Alliance. I didn't do much there. I was just helping them fix something. And then it went to Donna Shaw. Donna Shaw. Don't miss out on Donna Shaw. Donna Shaw. So yeah, who knows? Maybe in the future you guys will see me in more panels, more stuff, talking to more people. See if they're interested in what I have to say. If not, same thing. Same thing. Donald Shaw. That was pretty cool. Ooh. Oh man, I'm dazed. Dazed. That little weak kick. Such a weak. Another thing, I've been to a lot of bigger YouTubers' channels, and they don't talk that much, man. All they do is sit here and play games. So maybe I'm just gonna try to keep it down a little bit and talk less, show you guys more action, more fights, and then once in a while I'll say something. But what do you think? You know, if you guys are still here, you guys are watching this video, comment down below. Tell me what you want. You guys want me to keep talking, or do you guys want me to like keep it quiet? Calm down. Relájate. Relax. Baja Tech. Okay. Why can't I get in there? There you go. So as you can see, I have a few level 4-star champions, so I would like to get a lot more, but it's really hard in this game, at least for me. I don't know how other gamers do it. Alright, whatever, let's fight. It's gonna be a good fight. Good fighting. Oh shit. Damn. Good block, man. You don't good block, man. Oh. That's a hit. Nasty hit. Well, there you go, man. It's the Arcane. I like this character. I'm leveling him up as quick as I can because he does a lot of damage. Tons of damage. Makes people bleed. See, I hardly got touched. Made a whole lot of damage. Pretty cool. Let's go on to the next one. Ooh. Wow, that guy looks strong, man. Taking some heavy hits. Really strong hits from me. Oh, oh. Ooh. Get that. Take that. Oh. That Iron Man's got some mean armor, man. And he regenerates really quick, too. I don't like him. I don't like him. That's right. Die. Die. We got one more fight. One more fight coming. Yep. Anyways, guys, if you guys are on the East Coast, try to stay safe. It's mostly like in Miami, I think it is, or Florida. You guys are getting a hurricane, level 4 hurricane, so just be careful, man. If I were you guys, I'd kind of evacuate, leave as soon as you can. It's probably too late by now, but should have been gone. Should have been gone as soon as you heard hurricane level 4. Should have been gone. Head up north. Anyways, our prayers are with you guys, and I hope you're safe. Hope you guys are safe. Out of Florida. There's not going to be any power for weeks. Tons of damage. Tons of damage. So we got like 6 more fights, and then we're gone. We're done. And I want to thank you guys for stopping by, for checking this channel out. If you guys liked what I had to say, if you guys liked my content, like, subscribe, comment, share. Your dog has a YouTube account, have him subscribe. This is funny. Dog. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. Just had a soda, so I'm burping all over the place. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Anyways, final fight. Here we go. Final fight. This game's so cool, man. It's one of the best games I've seen in a long time. It's kind of like Street Fighter on steroids. Check out the detail on these characters. Boom. Take some damage. Boom. Right before he uses finisher. What? What? 94,000 gold. That's pretty good. Level up my Archangel. Here we go. So, I'm going to use Spider-Man. I'm going to use the Blade Man. We are going to use Gambit. Yeah. So I need one more so I can have one more set. But other than that, here we go. Final fight. Go. Put that okay at the end. Anyways, I want to apologize for the audio. My headphones, these are not the right audio headphones for gaming. So hopefully you don't get turned away from this. But yep, I just don't have my headphones. And if you guys want to come back on the weekend, on Sunday night, I'm gonna go live, and there'll be more people, and we can talk and stuff. But today's the middle of the week; it's work night, so I have to be kind of quiet, keep it low, not too much noise. No. So, quiet. Keep everything very quiet. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that guy trying to put up force field. Cinco estrellas, 5 stars. Done, son. Bam. Get on my way. Get out of my face. Go. That easy. That's pretty good. It's pretty good, man. But that's not enough to beat Blade. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? How dare you? How dare you? You don't touch the blade. Blade touches you. Didn't sound right. Anyways, he died. Next. Final fight, Spider-Man. Sucker. Ooh, I like this because he stuns him. Bam. What's that? He finished 85,000. I'm short a little bit. Anyways, guys, that's it for tonight. Again, if you live in Florida, make sure you stay safe. You know, stay away from the windows. Stay safe. If you can get out, leave. Don't stick around. Also, this gaming sounds a lot better when you have people talking, like other people here in the live. If I have like a live stream, there's people on the side, they're talking. They make the stream go by faster, and it's a lot more fun. You get to talk to people. So if you see this, don't get bummed out. Come back on Sunday. We have a live stream, and there should be people here, and you guys can talk and stuff. Also, I want to thank you guys for stopping by, checking out my video. Let me know if you guys want me to go back to reselling videos that I have. I don't know if you guys went back and you saw that. If you guys check out my old videos, my old content, there was a lot of videos of me going to different stores and buying stuff and reselling it. If you guys want to see that again, let me know. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to love, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time. Thank you guys, and don't forget to go out and play. Get some sun. Don't stay at home too long. Too much staying at home playing games will mess you up. Peace.